The Yacht Sale Value Maximizer, owning a yacht, is the realization of a unique vision, an investment in a life of freedom, adventure, and unparalleled luxury. Yet when the time comes to sell, most owners unknowingly leave a significant portion of that investment on the table. They fail to understand a fundamental truth. A successful sale is a planned event, not a reaction. To capture your vessel's true worth, you need a strategy. We've crafted that strategy, the pre-sale value maximizer, to ensure you command top dollar. Let's begin by unlocking the hidden value that most sellers leave behind. While most sellers focus on a gleaming hull polish, the real financial premium is hidden away in the paperwork. In the world of yacht brokerage, a fully documented service history acts as trust verification. It is the single most powerful tool for elevating your vessel's worth. This is a resale secret. Comprehensive maintenance logs and an organized history remove buyer anxiety and can add a 15 to 20% premium to the final sale price. A well-documented history proves the vessel was loved, not just used, transforming a depreciating asset into a premium listing. Documented history builds trust. Trust builds value. A gap in the logs looks like a gap in care. This principle is the foundation of our structured 90-day roadmap to maximizing your return. A successful sale is a countdown to launch, and our 90-day plan guides you through 3 distinct phases of preparation, each designed to build undeniable value. Phase 1, days 90 to 60, the mechanical audit and snag list. We begin by commissioning a pre-sale survey to identify any flaws before a buyer's surveyor does. This proactive step focuses on mechanical and structural integrity, allowing you to control the cost of repairs on your schedule and prevent unforeseen issues from killing a deal at the 11th hour. Phase 2, days 60 to 30, the documentation deep dive. In this phase, we forge an ironclad narrative of meticulous care. We assemble a dossier that proves your vessel's provenance by organizing all records, from logging every oil change, filter replacement, and zinc, to documenting haul-outs for bottom painting and shaft alignment, to finding the receipts for that new navigation system. Phase 3, days 30 to day 0, setting the stage for desire. In the final month, we focus on high-visibility upgrades that create an emotional connection, like updating dated navigation screens, refreshing sun-faded exterior cushions, and swapping to warm LED lighting. We then capture this allure with a professional media package featuring high dynamic range photography, virtual video walkthroughs, and drone footage, because we aren't just selling fiberglass. We are selling the dream. This meticulous preparation creates an undeniable competitive advantage, positioning your vessel as the benchmark in its class. This strategic plan is your shield against price erosion. It empowers you to counter discount requests with factual proof of care and positions your vessel as a turnkey masterpiece, not a project. For more expert resources and insights from our team, visit us at yachtbuying101.com. To get our exclusive newsletter, message us the word Compass on our social media channels. By joining the Yacht Buying Compass, you'll gain immediate access to our full library of digital products, including the complete 90-day pre-sale value maximizer plan featured in this video.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.